Guys, in today's video, we are going to take the Traxxas XMAXX and jump it 100 times to see if it's going to make it or it's going to break.
Like a tire falling off. Wow. Long as I don't hit myself, right? All right, y'all, we are going to try this. We're going to jump this 100 times. We're at the local skate park. And hopefully this will be okay. I think it should be fine, but there's one. I don't think anybody's ever jumped the XMAXX 100 times. That's two. That's three. Big shout out to Hobbytown in Buford, Georgia. That's four. It's gonna be a long. That's five. Almost had it. There we go. We'll probably see a lot of that going on. That's six. That's seven. A lot of chassis slap is gonna happen. That's eight. That's nine. That's 10. 11. That's 12. 13. 14. 15. We got a drone out here too, making it a little bit more interesting. 16. 17. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 3, 24. Hopefully I won't lose count, right? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. For the last jump, 99 jumps, 31, we're gonna do the big one. 32, 33, unless something breaks. Like a tire falling off. We're gonna keep going though. There we go. 34. 35, it's gonna be very interesting. 36, 7, 38, 39, 40, we're getting there. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, I don't know if this is gonna make 100, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, hope I didn't lose count sometime, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I guess as long as I don't flip it, we're good. 61, 62, 63, 64, look at that phone sitting over there. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, we're getting there, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. I always wanted to do this too, so. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 15 more. 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 10 more. 91, now I'm getting a little bold, I need to stop. 92, 93, 94, I think we'll make it. 95, 96, 97, 98, uh-oh, 99. All right, y'all, the 100 jump is gonna be the big one, so y'all know we're gonna take it around there, we're gonna do it here, and we're gonna launch it over there. So we'll see if this goes. I'm not even gonna stop. We'll see how this rolls. And we got a drone up there filming everything. So I'm gonna go around there and I'm gonna jump over there. I'm gonna jump that right there. Okay. This is gonna be the 100th jump, y'all. Will it survive? Let's see. 100. Woo, 100. We did it. And we're gonna go back too. 101. And we're just doing some bonus footage here real quick. Woo, hard landing there. All right, one last time on the big jump. I'm gonna see if I can do a backflip. Oh, we did it. All right, that was about 103 jumps here with the Traxxas XMAXX. So I'm running my SMC lipos. I'll put a link down below in the description to that. The only thing we did was we lost the foam in there, so nothing big. I can go ahead and glue that back in, but not too much damage on a lot of chassis life, but I didn't do any adjustments. So this is completely stock out the box. So again, big shout out to Hobbytown in Buford. You guys, address is down below. If you haven't, go up there and check them guys out. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. All right, y'all, we're out just having some fun real quick. We're gonna do a couple of hopefully good jumps. He's got his drone up there flying, and we got a little crowd over here. hear all the noise. So see if I can get this again. We don't have foam in that front left tire, so I'm gonna let him get stationed over here and see if I can get my skills ready. Ooh, didn't land that one right. All right, we'll try that again. I was trying to do a backflip, but then I couldn't decide if I wanted to do it or not, but yay, we got it. We got one in. Let's see if we can do it again. I'm not getting that footage when it's landing, but we're landing it. Can we do 3 in a row? I don't know. We did it. 3. Now let's go back the other way. That's always interesting. And I hear some gears going, so. All right, let's go. Landed. So y'all, I can drive pretty good. I know y'all don't think I can. Wow. As long as I don't hit myself, right? I think we're losing some steering too. All right, we're gonna try that again, but we're gonna try not to hit myself. Yeah, I'm losing my steering. All right, one more time. All right, we got it. Wow. All right, let's see if we can self-ride it. Oh, the pinion gear came loose. One of the faulty things of some of the Traxxas cars, but after doing that kind of running, you can't expect everything to hold together. So there it is right there. So anyway, we wanted to get this out, do a little entertainment. He's got a drone up there. We got a little footage. So you guys, this has actually been fun to take a car out and just kind of just bash it and just go crazy with it. But anyway, put your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate you guys watching.